Tired of dust, crumbs, and pet hairs taking over your floors? Meet the game-changing robotic vacuum cleaners, your personal cleaning assistant that works while you relax. With smart navigation, ultra-powerful suction, and even mopping capabilities, these high-tech cleaners do the dirty work for you. Starting at number 5, we have the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a compact but powerful cleaning solution. With its small body design, it effortlessly slips under and around furniture to reach hidden areas. When your battery runs low, no need to worry. The Lefant vacuum automatically returns to recharge, ensuring it's always ready for the next clean. Choose from multiple cleaning modes to get the perfect clean for every space. The zigzag mode ensures full coverage, while edge mode gets into those tricky corners. Set it and forget it. With scheduled cleaning mode, you can program cleaning modes right from the Lefant app for a hands-free experience. Need extra power? Activate spot cleaning mode for areas with stubborn dirt, or switch to max suction mode for carpets and pet hair. Smart technology keeps your vacuum safe. The Lefant anti-drop and anti-collision sensors prevent falls and adjust cleaning parts automatically. Control with just your voice. Connect the Lefant to Alexa or Google Assistants for a hands-free operation. With just 3 adjustable suction levels, the Lefant tackles everything, from pet hair and cat litter to coffee spills. With 120 minutes of runtime per charge, the Lefant covers up to 1,300 square feet for a completely fresh home every time. Coming in at number 4, we have the eufy L60 Robotic Vacuum. Equipped with ultra-strong suction, it removes hair, dust, and crumbs in just one pass, leaving your floors spotless. Using iPath laser navigation, L60 scans your home with advanced technology to create a precise map, ensuring efficient, obstacle-free cleaning. With customizable AI Map 2.0, you're in control. Select specific rooms to clean, set no-go zones, and even map multiple floors for homes with more than one level. L60 automatically adjusts suction power with Boost IQ technology, increasing strength when needed for deeper cleaning on rugs and carpets. And no more getting stuck. L60 can climb up to 20 millimeters, effortlessly moving over thresholds and carpet edges for uninterrupted cleaning. Enjoy quiet cleaning at just 65 decibels, the same noise level as a quiet office, so you can focus, relax, or work without distractions. With 120 minutes of runtime, L60 cleans your home efficiently. Plus, it automatically returns to recharge. Then resume cleaning, ensuring that no mess is left behind. Coming in at number 3, we have the iRobot Roomba. This vacuum features a 3-stage cleaning system, combining 3 levels of suction, a V-shaped brush, and an edge-sweeping brush to leave your floors spotless. Thanks to smart navigation, Roomba methodically cleans in rows, ensuring that no spot is missed. Plus, built-in sensors prevent it from falling downstairs. Designed with simplicity in mind, Roomba combines essential smart vacuum technology with an intuitive app powered by iRobot for an effortless clean. Forget about charging. Roomba runs for up to 120 minutes, and when the battery is low, it automatically returns to its dock for a recharge. Spill something? Automatically activate spot cleaning mode. Roomba will focus on one area for a deep clean in just 2 minutes. Choose your level of clean. With 3 power levels, Roomba adapts. Go quieter for a light clean or boost suction for deep cleaning. Roomba works around your schedule. Set it to clean when you're away, so you return to a spotless home without even lifting a finger. Want to know where it's cleaned? Clean reports in the iRobot app show detailed coverage and duration for completed cleaning sessions. Just say the word and Roomba pairs with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, so you can simply tell Roomba to start vacuuming and watch it get to work. Keep your Roomba in top shape with the Robot Health dashboard in the iRobot Home app. Track your vacuum's performance and accessories for worry-free cleaning. Taking our number 2 spot, we have the Shark Robot. With a dual cleaning technology, experience the best of both worlds. Powerful vacuum suction and sonic mopping for a truly complete clean on hard floors. Spills, stains, no problem. The deep cleaning sonic mopping scrubs floors 100 times per minute, making it 50% more efficient at removing stubborn stains. This is safe for use on seal wood, tile, and laminate. Say goodbye to dusty corners. Clean Edge technology blasts air to lift debris from corners and edges, giving you 50% better edge cleaning. You can control your clean from anywhere. Set up scheduling, create no-go zones, or spot clean specific areas, all from the Shark Clean app. With precise home mapping, your robot learns every inch of your home, so you can target specific rooms or areas whenever you need a clean. No more pre-cleaning. The Shark robot detects and avoids areas over 4.5 inches tall, so it cleans around obstacles instead of getting stuck. Imagine a home that stays clean without you even lifting a finger. Taking the #1 spot, we have the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S, the ultimate all-in one robotic vacuum cleaner that redefines effortless cleaning. With incredible suction power, the DEEBOT tackles dust, dirt, pet hair, and even the toughest messes, leaving your floors spotless from corner to corner. Love your pets but not their hair? Our zero tangle technology prevents pet hair from wrapping around the brushes, so you can say goodbye to frustrating tangles. Unlike ordinary robot mops, the DEEBOT uses hot water mop washing, ensuring your mop pads stay fresh and bacteria-free for a deeper, more hygienic clean. Introducing True Edge Adaptive Mopping. This smart mop extends and adapts to clean right up to walls, baseboards, and furniture legs for a truly complete clean. Hard floors and carpets? No problem. Auto mop lifting raises the mop when transitioning onto carpets, so your rugs stay dry and your floors stay spotless. With advanced AI navigation, the DEEBOT learns your home and adapts to its layout, letting you set no-go zones, targeted cleaning, and real-time tracking from anywhere. Enjoy dual self-emptying convenience. The DEEBOT empties both its dustbin and mop water into the all-in-one cleaning hub, so you don't have to. Too busy? Just say the word. DEEBOT works with Alexa and Google Assistants, so you can clean with a simple voice command. ECOVACS DEEBOT is hands down my top pick for robotic vacuum cleaners. With its all-in-one cleaning hub that not only empties the dustbin, but also drains dirty mop water automatically, it takes hands-free cleaning to the next level. Convenience, efficiency, and innovation. What more could you ask for? If you're interested in checking out any of these robotic vacuum cleaners, we've included links to all the products in the description below. If you decide to use those links, we do earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It just helps support the channel so we can continue bringing free content like this right to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another video of the latest and greatest products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.